What's up, guys? You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Chooks. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. In my YouTube channel, I post content related to web development and the tools and softwares that helps us to browse the internet efficiently. Okay, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing and also make sure you turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how to install WordPress. Okay, so if you're new to WordPress and you're wondering how to go about building a WordPress website, you're welcome to this video because I'm going to take you right from the scratch of how to build a WordPress website. Okay, so if you need more advanced videos, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video because I've actually made more videos about WordPress, and then this is actually for the beginners who wants to start from scratch. So the first thing you're going to be needing to build a WordPress website is actually a cPanel. But then there is also a way that you can play around WordPress on your local host using some softwares like XAMPP. Okay, so in that sense, you need to be going to wordpress.org and then you click on Get WordPress right here to download WordPress to your local machine. Okay, so from there you're going to be needing the software XAMPP as well. So I'm going to leave somewhere around your screen right now. I'm going to leave a link to a video I've made on how to install XAMPP software. Okay, so whenever you get the XAMPP software, you can come up to wordpress.org and go to the Get WordPress button right here, so you can be able to download the WordPress software, and then you can use it to install WordPress on your local host, and you can see how it looks like on your local machine. But then if you want to deploy it to the internet, you want your website to be live on the internet, you're going to be needing the cPanel. Okay, so you get the cPanel if you buy a hosting plan from any of the hosting providers. Okay, so right here I've bought mine from Asura Hosting, and you can as well do the same. It's very cheap and very secure and affordable as well. So you just go over to Asura Hosting. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, so if you need to purchase your host from Asura Hosting, I can really assure you that they are very secure and also fast as well. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Make sure you click there, and if you get here, you're just going to click on web hosting right here and scroll down. So from here, you make sure you're selecting the cPanel plan over here. So you don't want to go to the direct admin. Okay, so click on cPanel right here, and they have cPanel plans over here, so you can choose any of the plans that you can afford. Okay, so I'm not going to go through the steps. I just want to show you the website right here, and you can actually feel free to buy the domain and hosting from whichever provider you want to do that from. Okay, so right here I'm going to go back to my cPanel. So after purchasing the domain and hosting, you have the cPanel login details. Okay, so from here you log into your cPanel account, and from your cPanel right here, you're going to go to the software section. You're going to see this, okay, the software section here. So is either you click on the WordPress manager by Softaculous, or you can actually click on the Softaculous app installer. So it's actually the same. Okay, right here I'm going to click on the WordPress manager by Softaculous. So from the WordPress installer dashboard right here, you can see from here my screen, I already have 3 installations of WordPress on this server. Okay, but if you're new to WordPress, if your hosting account is new, there is nothing that will be here. Okay, but in my situation, I already have 3 instances of WordPress installation. Okay, so but don't bother yourself about this. All you're just going to do is to click on install. So when you click on install, you're going to see the WordPress installer right here. Okay, so you pretty much want to make sure the site protocol here is the HTTPS, which will really ensure your site protection. Okay, and also ensure your visitors are safe visiting your website. Okay, so you're gonna want to make sure that you selected the HTTPS right here. Okay, so and then this obviously is the domain name that you just bought and is connected to your hosting account as well. And here in directory, you want to leave this empty if you're actually installing this on the root of your website. Okay, but for me, I'm not installing this on the root of my website, so listen to me carefully, please. If you are installing this to the root of your website, you're gonna want to leave the in directory here empty. Okay, so right about now, I'm going to install the WordPress into the directory called WP tutorial. Okay, so after installing the WordPress into the directory called WP tutorial, my website is going to exist in this domain name right here /WP tutorial. Okay, so now going down, I'm going to fill up the rest of the places right here. My site name is going to be, I think, WP tutorial. Then just feel free to fill up all these steps right here. So the username right here, you're going to enter your preferred username, and the password as well, you're going to enter your preferred password, but this is automatically generated. If you don't want that, you can remove that, and then you can enter your preferred password. And they have the password strength checker right here. You can see this is already 65 over 100% strong. So for this admin email section right here, it's just for you to enter the admin email for you to receive some administrative emails. Okay, you can use your domain email, you can use maybe Gmail or Yahoo Mail or any other mail. Okay, it's just for you to receive the administrative information about your website, your site health, and so on and so forth. Okay, so scrolling down, you can see the selected plugins for you to pre-install these plugins, but I'm going to leave this space empty right here. And the advanced options, I'm also going to leave them. So just go ahead and click on install, and scrolling up, okay, this is checking installation, finishing, done. Boom guys, we have successfully installed WordPress into our website. So right now, this first link right here is the link to my website, and the second link here is the administrative URL. Okay, so this link leads to the WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to right click on the first link and click open link in new tab for me to open the link in new tab to view my website. And you can see that this right here is my website. Now the second link right here is the administrative link. Okay, so I'm also going to right click and I'll hit open link in new tab, and this right here is the administrative dashboard. And then you can see that I have the admin dashboard index page right here. So left with me, I always want to work with a clean slate anytime I'm working on a new instance of WordPress. Okay, I always want to click on the screen options right here, and I want to disable all this stuff so that I get a clean sheet. You can see that I have a clean dashboard right here. I don't actually need it to be flooded. So the first thing you're gonna do is click on settings. I'm just going to show you some few options right here, and we'll be done with the video. Okay, so you can see this is the site title, like I said earlier while I was installing the WordPress, the site title and description. So this right here is the site title, and this over here also is the site description. So you can as well feel free to now edit that right here, and you can actually edit the site title as well. And after all the editing, you can just scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, so apart from the site title and the tagline, which also serves as a description, you can as well see the WordPress address right here, the site address, the administrative email right here. You can as well change it if you want to change it from here. And then the membership, if you want your website to be a membership website, like you want users to come to your website and they can register an account and have a user account on your website, you can enable this. So this is the site language. Feel free to change the site language as you wish. And this is the time zone, the date format, blah blah and blah. Okay, so after the changes, go ahead and click on save changes. And another important settings I would like you to do is just come over to permalinks right here. So right here in the permalink settings page, you can see we already have the day and name permalink structure right here set. Okay, so I always prefer the post name. Okay, this means the link to the post is actually the domain name right here, then slash the post title. Okay, and then just go ahead and click on save changes. So I'll click on save changes, and then you go to appearance and themes for you to be able to install a theme, and also the plugins, add new for you to be able to install a plugin. Okay guys, that will be it in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you have any question in between this video, or if you have any video topic you want me to make a video on, please leave it in the comment section below. And if this is your first time coming across my video in this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and also make sure you turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.